without further ado, I want to start with red peppers. Red peppers. People grow a lot of green. People grow a lot of green stuff in their gardens in general. But red peppers. Why are red peppers or red bell peppers so beneficial? So red peppers, they're an excellent source of vitamin A and vitamin C. About a half a cup of raw red pepper provides you with 47% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin A and 159% of your vitamin C. And why is that so important? Because vitamin C is great for your immunity. Immunity is so important right now. Vaccine, no vaccine, you need to keep your immunity high right now. So that's important. The vitamin A and the beta carotene in red peppers help with your overall vision and eye health. Vitamin A is also good for your skin health, healing wounds, and boosting white blood cell growth. So what's up? What's in red bell peppers? What vitamins and nutrients are in red bell peppers? Calcium, vitamin E, iron, potassium, magnesium, vitamin B6, folate, riboflavin, and vitamin K. So the vitamin K and the calcium are great for your joints. As we age, we have arthritis, good for your joint health. So red bell peppers, and these are red bell peppers are great. You can fry them up, saute them up, and have them with any meal. Chop them up, put them in your salads, whatever. Red bell peppers, these are great. These grow pretty easily. They're pretty easy to grow in your backyards from spring through summer, even into the fall. I know last fall we were getting peppers up until towards the end of September. So it depends on how Mother Nature goes. So yes, and I say the color red because we don't get a lot of red fruits and vegetables in our diet. So red bell peppers, number one. The next one